Today I'm doing a cabin air filter on a Toyota Corolla. This is a 2024 model, but it's the same for any 12th or even 11th generation Toyota Corolla here. As we come in here, and this is also the same for most Hondas, Subarus, a lot of other makers. The cabin air filter is going to be behind the glove box. So we're going to start out by opening the glove box. We're going to grab this guy right here and give it a yank. That pops off there. Now we have to depress the two tabs on each side of the glove box. So we're going to push here and here, push it together, and you might have to wiggle back and forth. And then once you get this down to the right angle, this comes right off. These are D-shaped little clamps here, so once you lower it to that right spot, it'll pull right out. Then this is where our cabin air filter is right there. So with this, we go here and we pinch this tab here. This side comes off and then you pull out this way. Then we grab our tray right here and notice it says this side is up, a little arrow there. We pop that out. So one thing is, this is the orientation of the tray, the side up. Then we pull this dirty air filter and this is the orientation of the air filter, which also says up. So if you're wondering, and there's the part number, I'll put a link in the description for that guy. This guy pulls out of the tray like this. There's tabs on both ends, there and there. When you go to put a new one in, I got to put a new one in. It's not right next to me. So I'll just throw this guy back in real quick. But that's how it comes out. Then when you go to put this back in, it slides right back in there like so. Then when you take your cover here, it'll have the side that says up. Orient that so it's pointed up. We pinch our tabs over on this side, and that's how you get it back in there. Then we're going to take our glove box. You get it right at this right angle. It pops right back into the hinges right there. Then we move this up to here. We'll pull our damper and push the damper back on there. Then just pop the glove box there, and that's the cabin air filter. If this was helpful, please leave a comment. Let me know how it went, and a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.